Olaplex number 8 is here, and man, do I have a lot to share with you all. Stay tuned. This is a good time for hair care. Welcome back to another episode of the Brandon Experience, the best place on the internet for beauty education and business building done the right way. Almost lost my first line. Today I am pumped, and you all know why. You've been asking for it in the comments and on Instagram, and I've been giving this product line so much love, I can't just leave out their latest product. It's here. What we have been asking for, this little grenade of moisture, is what we have been asking for a long time from Olaplex. I am so excited. When I heard that they were coming out with a Bond Intense moisture mask that addressed every challenge, complaint, and issue I had about the Olaplex line. Olaplex number 8 Intense Moisture Mask has been out for like a week and a half now. I've been using it in the salon all week. This container actually still has a good amount of product in it, which is surprising. It's super concentrated. It goes a really long way. When you get it, it has this little tab you pull out. Literally, that's why I said it's like a moisture grenade. And you pump it out. It's literally that airless type of pump. So as you pump, it moves up so you don't waste any of the products. You get everything out at the end. Number 8 also has the same bonding properties as the rest of the line. So you're still getting that patented technology that is relinking those bonds back together even stronger than ever and rejuvenating the strength of your hair, so there's no need to double up and use number 5 with this also. If you go on our site, we are actually featuring number 8 right at the top of the site because we had a huge pre-launch for it and took pre-orders and got all of those. Zelda! She's making so much noise. I'll be right back. I gotta get out here. Go. Based on the clinical studies that they have done, it results in like double the shine for your hair. It helps to reduce breakage. And it leaves your hair 4 times more moisturized, 6 times smoother, and then like 90-something high% of people that used it actually felt that their hair had more body to it. The hydration process is working. It's effective. The strand is being plumped, so your hair is feeling like super full, but not weighed down. I tried this on multiple hair types, and it worked great on all of them. So color treated, curly, straight, fine, coarse. All of those I tried over this past week, and I can say that it did what it was supposed to do. So that is excellent news for us Olaplex fans that were looking for that next level treatment. It's also free of all of the bad things that we are trying to stay away from in hair care. So if any of those are a concern or you prefer vegan products, Olaplex number 8 flows right with the rest of the Olaplex line. So I have nothing but awesome things to say about Olaplex number 8. Again, this is now available on thebrandonexperience.com and some of the other authorized retailers such as like your local salon, Sephora, Olaplex.com. But you know, I always encourage you all to shop small business. That will be all for today's video. Check out Olaplex number 8 if you get a chance. Please continue to be well. Stay safe out here, and I'll catch you all right here, same place, same time, same channel. Peace.